To make your own quick video to show students while you're sharing a screen, you go to screencast-o-matic.com. It's a pretty good name, /screen recorder. And then while you're here, you click on the button Launch Free Recorder. Once it launches, it will download, and you want to click Save. And then down at the bottom, I'll move my view a little bit, will appear a web launch recorder download of an app, and then that gives you a button where you can start recording. And you press record and you just start talking as you're moving your mouse around the screen. And the thing that's nice is you can toggle between different things you have open on the screen. You can also point things out on the screen. And then when you're done, say goodbye.